control car, off-road Cadillac, and trying to understand whether my car will keep working. For now, I tried it again after I came back home, and I see that the front wheels are working now. They can turn left and right, and I just suspect that my remote radio control unit got soaked a little bit, so some contacts are now short, and the electricity can't go the right way. I'm gonna now dry all parts with a hairdryer and see what happens. If not, it's not a big deal. This radio remote control can be replaced. And you see, when I was talking about the constructor that I was trying to make when soldering wires, you see I detached my relays, I detached the radio remote control. The electrical motors are inside, so all this can be replaced, and the headlights also can be disconnected. All units can be disconnected and connected again, and they are all replaceable. Let's see what happens after I dry all those parts. And here we go. Drying all parts with the hair dryer worked. The lights actually worked before. Now I turn it on and I try. See, now it's working, the front wheels and the right wheels back and forth, so everything's working in a regular setup. And now I will try the with the extra power with my relays. Now I connected the relays, set of relays, to increase power, and it still works. So hairdryer worked, the remote control and some connections probably got wet, and there was a circuit short. So that's how we deal with that, but next time I'll make sure I don't forget to protect all connections better if I want to use it near water.